but Texan shaves, steel in hand, traditional wet, shaving smooth and grand.
Howdy, and welcome back to A Texan Shaves. Since there's been so many 250th soaps coming out every day, and everything's feeling so patriotic, I found a soap in my collection, a patriotic titled soap in my collection that I haven't used yet. I picked this up at the Razor Company during the meetup when I went to Maggard's and the TRC weekend. And this is from Heritage Hill Shave Company, and that is Continental. Heritage Hill Shave Company, Continental. In the bitter dawn of independence, the soldiers of the Continental Army, why do I have to really enunciate those T's when I say that, stood resolute, weathered by hardship, driven by purpose, and unwilling to yield. Continental is a tribute to that spirit, a commanding blend of bright tangerine and invigorating menthol. This shave soap delivers a refreshing burst of vibrant tangerine layered with a cooling menthol finish as sharp as a winter morning at Valley Forge, awakening the senses and preparing you for the day's campaign. Scent note, tangerine. So that's it. And it is a very nice tangerine. Let me see here. Oh, that liner came out. Let me get that put back into the lid there. Alright, that's fine. Oh, it actually kind of just wafts up as soon as you open it. You don't have to get your nose down in there. That is nice. And I do, of course, have the matching splash. And I do like these labels that they've been doing at Heritage Hill. Really, really nice. And I'm so glad they now have splashes. So for the hardware, keeping along with the patriotic theme, new to me, I've used it a couple times now. This is the West Coast Shaving American Liberty. Really am enjoying this razor a lot. And for the brush, one I've been using a lot as well in these patriotic shaves is my red, white, and blue Chisel and Hound here. I don't know what it is about this brush, but I really am enjoying it. All right, so let's get the brush loaded and the lather going. So, 250th, man, there are so many of those out now. Let me know down below if you've been able to keep up with them, or if you're even trying, or which ones you like the most. There's a few I've really enjoyed so far. But I'm trying to just kind of keep some patriotic theme and shaving with some of my patriotic theme soaps here. Really having a fun time going through these. It's a really special time for us once we reach July 4th. It's also my mom's birthday on July 4th. So it's always a party at our house for that. So, all right, let's get this going. That should be plenty. And let me get this rinsed out. All right. And that is good. All right, let's get the glasses off and the face wet. Get my mug out of the way here. And I have quite a bit of growth. Oh, look at that lather already. I haven't even built it on the face yet. Ooh, that smells good. That is a very clean tangerine. Clean tangerine. Rhymes, right? Make a song.
Hello.
Oh, yeah. I'm really glad Heritage Hill has gone to more of a standard size. Now, y'all know me. Y'all know I like the smaller sizes. But I'm glad because I know a lot of you like the full sizes, and I think it's going to really expand Heritage Hill's customer base now that they've offer the standard size tubs. A little bit of water on there. Ooh, that smells good. I've said it before. There is something to be said for a simple scented soap. Sometimes that's all you need. And that menthol's kicking in. It's gentle, but it's nice. I can feel it. All right, let's Let's get the shave going. So, Blizzard battles. How are y'all liking it? Let me know. Y'all seem to be really enjoying them a lot this year. I think Artisan Challenge is the way to go with it moving forward. Like I said before, it is increasingly hard to find any currently produced heavily mentholated soaps. So, let's talk the artisans into making more. For me and my fellow mint heads out there. And I think the artisans had a lot of fun. And you guys have really come through showing your appreciation and buying the products that they have put out for sale, those that have. And I thank you for that. That will help keep this going for at least a couple of years to come, hopefully. You know, I've had this razor in my cart probably for over a year. I don't know why I never pulled the trigger on it. I should have. Every time I use it, I like it more and more. All right. Ooh. For some reason, this side's being a little colder than this side. I don't know why. That water's cold. Man, what a luxurious lather. Beautiful. Love it. Man, that is really nice tangerine. I'll keep saying that because it is outstanding. All right. Man, that is smooth. I see why people went crazy for this razor when it came out. And I'm kind of shocked I don't see it much anymore. It is a fantastic razor. I just realized I'm shaving half my face. Instead of doing the cheeks and then the neck, I'm in Blizzard battle mode. How funny. So, let me know if you've tried Heritage Hill down below. Which one's your favorite? Do you have Continental? Do you like it? Are you anxious for something new? I think they do have something new brewing. All right, third pass. Ooh, that's chilly. It's a decent amount of menthol. It's not Blizzard Battle, but it's up there. It's good. It's very brisk.
Do you copy? Attention, agents of the Culper Network. This transmission is intended only for those entrusted with the cause of liberty. If you are receiving this message, the signal has reached its intended destination. Enemy eyes and ears are everywhere. Commit this intelligence to memory and speak of it only to those engaged in the mission. The time is now. I will transmit the intelligence. The classified keyword contained in this dispatch is freedom. I repeat, freedom. Freedom is the third fragment of the larger cipher. 4 additional operatives possess the remaining pieces. Seek out their transmissions and gather each fragment carefully. Remember, freedom is the third part in the code sequence. When the cipher has been fully assembled, enter the complete code at checkout as one continuous phrase. No spaces. Remain vigilant. Trust no rumor. Await the next signal. For God and country.
Wow. I'm so impressed with this razor. I will probably be using it for a little while. Gives a great head shave too. And there we go. Did go a little heavy right there, didn't I? I think I'm about to do the same on this side. All right, I'm gonna stop. Chasing that BBS, get you every time. All right, gonna get a rinse, come back up for the splash. My final thoughts. Be right back. All right. Oh, that was outstanding. That would be a fantastic morning shave with that tangerine menthol. Definitely will wake you up. All right. Get myself situated. Oh. All right. Time for the splash. Oh, yeah. I think the only slight complaint I have about their aftershaves is the reducer is so small. Really got to shake it to get it out. All right. Ooh, yeah. Oh man, I get tangerine and tangerine. Oh, I think there's a little tangerine in there. Sorry, just being silly. It is a great shave. It is a fantastic fragrance. I think the tangerine's a little more mild in the aftershave, actually, compared to the soap. Yeah, it is. Interesting. But, man, that is fantastic. All right, that's all I got, guys. Check out Heritage Hill Shave Company. I'll have a link down in the description. Find your peace in what and where you can. We'll see you next time on the Texan Shaves. Goodbye.
peace